Visual literacy is so important nowadays because of the nature of the information that students need to process today. The nature of the info has changed from a purely text-based medium to a combination of both written text and images. So as teachers, it is our role to give students the tools to effectively communicate in this brand new world, and therefore to allow them and to enable them to be able to decode and use both media of expression, so language and image. It is easy to develop visual literacy in our students. How can we do that? Well, we can introduce simple activities in your classroom. There's no real need of new materials. You can easily use the textbook that you have, and you can use simple activities in order to introduce, let's say, VLCs into, into their vocab, which are visual literacy clues. So take a picture, just use a picture from your textbook and change the way that you analyze that picture. Instead of just, analyzing in, through language, ask them to analyze what they see. And then from that, ask them to create something to express either what they've seen or how it makes them feel, or how they would have expressed that idea differently. So that's how it is, quite straightforward. It's just a question of changing a little bit the way that you look at images in general.